If you only have $20 to spend on an instant read thermometer, I found a couple of clear winners and a whole bunch of losers. I'm David Gafford, and here at the Barbecue Lab, Melissa and I test the gear that you want so you can buy the best and skip the rest. We've purchased 10 of the best-selling instant read thermometers on Amazon, all under $20, and are running them through 11 tests. Everything from how fast they are at multiple temperatures to accuracy and a whole lot more. So let's get started. Amazon prices are constantly changing, but here are the prices we paid when we purchased these just a few weeks ago. Coming in at only $7.99, we have this completely nameless thermometer with absolutely no brand identification. For $9.49, we have the Temp Pro 03H. The Andaxon thermometer costs $9.98. The Amzo thermometer also costs $9.98. For a penny more, we have a different Temp Pro model, the 03B. The Alpha Grillers thermometer costs $12.97. The Thermomonster M1 costs $13.99. Our third Temp Pro model, the 19H, also costs $13.99. The Lana Serra, looking familiar, costs $14.99. And the most expensive of the bunch is the Thermomaven F1 Stealth, costing $19.99. As always, we've dropped links to all of these thermometers in the description below, or you can scan this QR code on the screen. When you use our links to make your purchase, that helps us create future content just like this. Every instant read thermometer has different advertised claims for how fast and how accurate they can read temperature, so we've set up some scenarios to test these variables. We heated up our sous vide as hot as it could go, which apparently is 197.5 degrees Fahrenheit. I wanted to replicate temping a brisket at 203 degrees, but this was as close as we could get. For this test, we measured the speed to read a temperature within plus or minus 2 degrees of 197.5 degrees. Alpha Grillers reached 194.7 in just 2.94 seconds, but it never got within 2 degrees of where we were trying to get, so that automatically disqualifies Alpha Grillers. The Andaxon made it to 196 degrees in 8.17 seconds. And as you can see, it's almost impossible to read the display. Temp Pro 19H reached 195.6 degrees in 5.08 seconds. Amzo reached 195.9 degrees in 4.51 seconds. The Temp Pro 03H reached 195.6 degrees in 4.33 seconds. The No Name thermometer reached 196.7 degrees in 4.04 seconds. The Temp Pro 03B reached 195.6 degrees in 3.27 seconds. Lana Serra reached 195.6 degrees in 3.24 seconds. Thermomonster reached 195.5 degrees in 2.09 seconds. And Thermomaven was the fastest, reading 195.6 degrees in 1.69 seconds. Next, we set out to replicate temping a medium rare steak, so we set the sous vide to 130 degrees. For this test, we measured the speed to read temperatures within plus or minus 1 degree of the target temp. The Temp Pro 03H took 3.67 seconds to reach 127.9 degrees, never reaching a temperature within 1 degree of our target. The Andaxon read 129.3 degrees in 5.07 seconds. Amzo read 129.2 degrees in 3.45 seconds. The No Name read 129.6 degrees in 3.16 seconds. The Temp Pro 19H read 129 degrees in 2.49 seconds. The Temp Pro 03B read 129.4 degrees in 2.39 seconds. Alpha Grillers read 129.2 degrees in 2.35 seconds. Lanacera reached 129.2 degrees in 2.05 seconds. Thermomonster read 129.1 degrees in 1.47 seconds. And the Thermomaven read 129.1 degrees in 1.38 seconds. By the way, if you're getting value out of this video, hit the like button and subscribe if you want more videos like this. Our final temperature test utilized an ice bath set to 32 degrees Fahrenheit. The actual temperature reading on the sous vide was 32.6 degrees, and we're measuring how long it takes each thermometer to read a temperature within plus or minus 0.5 degrees of that target. The Andaxon took a whopping 9.93 seconds to read 32.9 degrees. And like the previous tests, the display is a challenge to say the least. The Amzo thermometer took 6.67 seconds to reach a temperature of 32.9 degrees. The TempPro 03B read 32.4 degrees in 4.64 seconds, and the TempPro 03H read 32.9 degrees in 4.38 seconds. The no-name thermometer read 32.4 degrees in 3.83 seconds. Thermomonster read 32.9 degrees in 3.58 seconds. Thermomaven read 32.8 degrees in 3.02 seconds. Lanacera read 32.9 degrees in 2.78 seconds. TempPro 19H read 32.7 degrees in 2.62 seconds. And the Alpha Grellers read 32.4 degrees in 2.6 seconds. In just a minute, we're going to dive into a little more of the features and user experience of these thermometers. But first, I want to pass a question off to you. How important are speed and accuracy to you? Are these results acceptable to you based on the way that you measure temperature when you cook? Let us know down below. Okay, now that we've tackled performance, let's shift gears to the features and experience. You probably noticed in our temperature tests that all of the thermometers were measuring temperature to the 10th of a degree. Now, I don't know about you, but I generally don't need to measure my internal temperatures that specifically and find the additional digits to be more of an annoyance. However, this is the default setting for all 10 of these thermometers. Only 2 of them have the ability to switch to a whole degree by long holding the CF function, and those are the Thermomaven and Thermomonster. And while we're at it, all 10 thermometers are set to Fahrenheit out of the box, but have buttons to switch to Celsius if that's what you prefer. This video is sponsored by us. We bought the thermometers and ran the tests, so here's my pitch. We have a shop page on our website where we sell small batch seasonings that we make here at the Barbecue Lab. Our feathered formula is our everyday chicken rub, and it's amazing on wings. If you like it spicy, there's a hot version that's my personal favorite. Our pork protocol is for chops, shoulders, and it really shines on ribs. If you want to see it in a rib recipe, I'll link that down below. There's other ways in the store that you can support the channel, but enough of the shameless plug, and back to the thermometer testing. For all of the thermometers, the probes can extend up to 180 degrees and no further. That means left-handed users get the raw end of the deal unless the screen rotates. The only 3 models with auto-rotating displays are the TempPro 19H, Thermomonster, and Thermomaven. The rest of the thermometer displays are locked in a single direction, which may be a source of frustration for some. I'll also add the 3 that can rotate and only rotate 180 degrees, so if you hold them completely vertical, you'll still be reading the temperature sideways. Testing the backlights of these thermometers was actually harder than we expected. Some of these thermometers only stay lit for less than 5 seconds, so it was a challenge to get them all lit up at the same time. But Melissa and I crowded into our hall bathroom, strategically activated the backlights simultaneously, and flipped off the overhead light. The 2 thermometers that stayed lit the longest were the Thermomaven and the Thermomonster, which are also the only 2 whose lights are motion activated rather than button activated. In our opinion, the brightest and easiest display to read in the dark was the Thermomaven, so we'll give the overall backlight win to the Thermomaven. Three of these thermometers require a push of a button to turn it on and off, and those are the AMSO, the TempPro 03B, and the TempPro 03H. The other 7 models all have an auto wake function that turns the thermometer on when the probe is opened and off when the probe is closed. If the probe is left in the open position, the Thermomaven and Thermomonster will auto off after 30 seconds. The TempPro 19H will auto shut off in 90 seconds, and the rest of them will stay on for up to 10 minutes before shutting off. All of these thermometers boast a magnet for easy storage, but all 10 magnets are not created equally. The Andaxon and No Name thermometers magnets were ineffective, to say the least. Lonicera, Alpha Grillers, and AMSO were all okay, but the best magnets were found in the 3 TempPro models, the Thermomaven, and the Thermomonster. All of these thermometers are waterproof, but 3 different ratings are represented among these 10 thermometers, so let's talk about what that means. The Alpha Grillers and AMSO thermometers boast IP67 ratings, meaning that they can be submerged in water for up to 30 minutes. If they fall in a sink of water, you shouldn't have any issues. The TempPro 19H, 03H, Andaxon, Thermomaven, and Thermomonster are all rated IP65, so if you leave them out in the rain or run them under the faucet to wash them, they'll be fine. The Lonicera, No Name, and TempPro 03B all claim to be IP66, which is just a tougher version of IP65. They can withstand more powerful water jets, making cleanup even more forgiving. If you're the kind of thermometer user who likes a lock or hold feature, the only one that doesn't do that is the TempPro 03B. The Andaxon, Alpha Grillers, AMSO, Lonicera, and No Name also have the ability to show the max and minimum temps as well. Now, I would be remiss if I didn't address the sensor type on these thermometers, but most of them are not forthcoming about what's inside the probe. There are thermistor and thermocouple sensors on these instant reads, and we would have to hazard a guess or cut them open to find out. While cutting them open does seem like fun, that's maybe another video. Based on the performance, we think that the Thermomaven and Thermomonster are probably thermocouples and the rest are thermistor sensors. So what do you think based on the testing results? Drop your guesses on which type is each one down in the comments and let's discuss. For my final thoughts, I want to start by tackling the warranty on each model. The Thermomaven has a lifetime warranty, which is hard to believe at this price point. The 3 TempPro models are next with 3-year warranties, and the rest have a 1-year warranty or warranty unknown. I want to start by eliminating some by the deal breakers that I found during our testing. The first one to go is the Andaxon, taking over 9 seconds to get within 1 degree of accuracy in the ice bath test, and having a display that's near impossible to read. Second to go is the AMSO. At more than 6 seconds to read the ice bath test and no auto wake function, that takes it out of the running for me. The No Name thermometer was middle of the pack from a final speed standpoint, but it's not very responsive. While others are reading multiple times a second, it just holds a reading and updates much slower than the others, and I just didn't like it. The TempPro 03B has the switchblade unlock, which is kind of cool, but I wish it opened further and faster. What takes it out of the running for me is that it locks in place when it's open, and I forget that it's locked, and I know I'm going to break it trying to close it one of these times. The display is super tiny, and you have to hit a button to power it on, so the combination of all of those things eliminates it for me. The TempPro 03H has the same small display issue and needs a button press to power it on, but it doesn't have the locking issue that the 03B has. It was still over 4 seconds for some of the measurement tests, so the combination of challenges means it's out for me as well. Our last TempPro model is the 19H, and it was over 5 seconds to read at our final brisket temperature test. It's the best TempPro in this roundup, but it's still middle of the pack when compared to some of the others. The Lonicera and Alpha Grillers could easily be twins separated at birth. Button configuration is identical, and they're okay, but they're not my favorites. If I were going to pick up any thermometers from this testing group, they would be the Thermomaven and the Thermomonster. Both of the displays are easy to read, and their backlights stayed on the longest of the group, long enough for me to get readings and still see in most cases. I can set them down on a side shelf or a grill and leave them open, and they'll go into sleep mode until I move them and they auto wake. The Thermomaven came in top 3 for most of the speed and accuracy tests as well. If I only had $20 to invest in an instant read thermometer, I would buy the Thermomaven. Thermomonster for me was a close second. Now, if I only had $10 for a thermometer, I would wait until I could scrounge up $10 more to add to the budget, because I just can't recommend wasting your money on a $10 thermometer. So there you have it. If you're considering buying a thermometer, I link to all of them here in the QR code on the screen, as well as in the description down below. Your purchase keeps the testing coming and doesn't cost you anything more than just buying it straight on Amazon. I'm David from the Barbecue Lab. Hiding in the dark in the bathroom with 10 thermometers and a camera is Melissa. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe if you got value, and we can't wait to see you on the next one.